Comfort is more dangerous than struggle. Most people believe struggle is the enemy, that once life becomes easier, everything finally falls into place. I don't see it that way anymore because comfort doesn't just remove pressure, it removes edge. Struggle forces movement, deadlines, consequences, limits. Comfort removes all of that. No urgency, no risk, no immediate cost for standing still. From the outside, that looks like freedom. Inside, something else happens. Struggle sharpens you. It forces decisions. It demands attention. It keeps you engaged with life. Not because it feels good, but because it keeps you awake. Struggle is uncomfortable, but it's honest. Comfort doesn't arrive loudly. It doesn't feel dangerous. You stop pushing because you don't have to. You stop questioning because things are fine. You stop refining because nothing is broken. And slowly your standards soften. Not dramatically, quietly. Comfort doesn't feel like decline. There's no crisis, no collapse, no clear moment of loss. There's just less urgency, less hunger, less friction with yourself. Life becomes easier, but also flatter. I started to notice something. The more comfortable life became, the less demanding it was of me. Not just externally, internally. There was no pressure to grow, no resistance to overcome, and without resistance, you don't sharpen, you settle. This isn't about chasing hardship. This isn't romanticizing pain. It's about understanding that difficulty keeps you honest. It forces alignment. It forces clarity. It forces you to confront who you are becoming. Comfort doesn't do that. Comfort lets you drift. Struggle challenges you. Comfort convinces you that you no longer need to be challenged. And that's why comfort is more dangerous than struggle. Not because it hurts, but because it slowly removes the reason to grow. This is Bit Unfiltered. No hype, no pretending, just honest perspective.